Happy Sunday morning. I hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend. Tomorrow is the start of a new week. Let there be wisdom, let there be light, let me be challenged to open my sight. Let no harm ever be done, that all the realms may heal in the sun. Show me my highest good, and for my highest good be done. Blessed be, so it be. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, Spirit, for what you're about to open our eyes to. What does Spirit have to tell us for our highest good today? What does Spirit have to tell us for our highest good today? You will get there. You can't force flowers to grow or plants to sprout. Be patient and respect that everything happens in its own way and its own time. You will get there. Just be patient. Spirit's going to guide you and get you to where you need to be. Don't try to force it. Don't try to make it happen because you will be frustrated if you do try to do that. So the first one is you will get there. The second one is heart path. Heart path is it's not worth pursuing a path without passion. This road will only lead to uncertainty and frustration. Follow your heart and you can't go wrong. While you're being patient and waiting for it to happen, because it's going to happen in its own time, follow your heart and you won't be able to go wrong with that. Spirit has you, and Spirit's going to lead you on the right path. Right now, your heart path is telling you to have the patience because it'll happen in its own time. And when you follow your heart, you can't go wrong. So you will get there by following your heart. So you can't go wrong. Spirit is here and Spirit's going to guide you. Have a wonderful Sunday. I will see you again on Monday. And until then, go in love and light. Thank you.